Today's stadiums go beyond being mere grandstands around a pitch. They are massive, immersive, and highly technologized. Not only do they redefine the sports landscape, but also enhance the fan experience. From a brand new stadium with a capacity of over 90,000 people to an extraordinary stadium in Liverpool, in today's video, we delve into the largest stadiums currently being built. Let's begin with number 7, the Intuit Dome with a capacity of 18,000 people. The LA Clippers, a professional basketball team in Los Angeles since 1970, have never had their own NBA arena. They currently share one with other LA teams like the NBA's Lakers and NHL's Kings, requiring the court to be rearranged between every match for different teams. To address this issue and provide a dedicated home for the Clippers, a new stadium is under construction. It features a unique design resembling a basketball net during a score, including special features like the wall, a 51-row tall uninterrupted end zone aimed at creating a formidable home court advantage. The arena will also boast a 360-degree video board for fan engagement with replays and statistics. Situated in Inglewood near the Kia Forum, legal issues emerged in 2019 due to concerns about the impact on the neighboring arena's business. The owner attempted to block the new stadium through lawsuits, but this was resolved when Clippers owner Steve Ballmer purchased the adjacent arena for $400 million. Construction began in 2021 and is progressing steadily. The outer structure is mostly complete, lacking only the facade, while the interior is still taking shape. The anticipated completion date is set for 2024. Next at number 6, we have No Mestalla with a capacity of 50,000 people. This football stadium in Valencia, Spain has a notorious reputation because the project has been at a standstill for nearly 15 years. The saga began in 2006 when a plan surfaced to replace Valencia's old Mestalla Stadium due to the club's recent success. The proposed stadium aimed for a capacity of over 70,000 people, a roof covering all seats, a leisure area, and even a museum, earning it a potential 5-star rating from UEFA and the eligibility to host the World Cup. Construction kicked off in 2007 with an estimated cost of $362 million and is scheduled for completion in 2 years. However, reality deviated significantly from the plan. Months before the supposed completion date, a severe financial crisis hit the project. The 2008 Spanish real estate crisis hindered the profitable sale of the old stadium, and despite numerous attempts to secure contracts with investors, not one succeeded. Original plans underwent revisions to cut costs. The complex facade was simplified, parking capacity was slashed by over 90%, and the roof was substantially downsized. The proposed capacity also underwent multiple reductions, currently planning to accommodate a maximum of only 50,000 people. All these efforts proved futile, leaving the project as an abandoned construction site. And adding to the woes, the project missed a crucial deadline with the Valencian government, resulting in the loss of anticipated urban benefits. However, a new municipal government elected in May of this year aims to finally address the situation, with Spain, Portugal, and Morocco securing the bid for the 2030 World Cup. It remains to be seen if the stadium will be selected as a host site and will be completed before the first match. And number 5 on our list is the Everton Stadium with a capacity of 53,000 people. The Everton football team currently uses Goodison Park Stadium. However, since it's been standing for over 100 years, the maintenance costs are high, and there are concerns about passing future inspections. This led to the idea of constructing a completely new and modern stadium for the team. Although discussions about the plans began in the 1990s, they didn't materialize until 2017 when the official location at Bramley Moordock was announced. Despite public and government endorsement, including a new nearby railway station, the choice faced criticisms from UNESCO. The dock's heritage assets were at risk, threatening the historical waterfront's authenticity. The stadium assured it would repair and maintain these assets, but UNESCO persisted. In 2021, Liverpool lost its World Heritage status due in part to the planned construction. A month later, actual stadium construction started, following a substantial landfilling process using about 500,000 cubic meters of sand from the Irish Sea. Progress has been significant, with initial seats installed and the exterior shaping up. The final design includes a brick base to match the dock's atmosphere and a modern steel and glass structure on top. Costing $700 million and with a capacity of 53,000 people, it's set to open to the public by 2024. And just 4 years later, it will host the 2028 UEFA Euro Cup. Now let's move on to number 4, the Xi'an International Football Center with a capacity of 60,000 people. We've talked about UEFA governing European football, but in Asia, the primary authority is the AFC or Asian Football Confederation. Every 4 years, they organize a major tournament, the AFC Asian Cup. After the last one in the UAE, China secured the bid for the upcoming cup and had ambitious plans, leading to the construction of several stadiums in some of the 10 host cities. One of them is the Xi'an International Football Center in China's largest northwest city. This stadium, with its futuristic saddle-shaped exterior, translucent roof, modern amenities, and dynamic lighting, will breathe life into the new city district. Its design not only shields it from northern winds, but also maximizes seating capacity, accommodating up to 60,000 people. Construction commenced in 2020 with an estimated cost of $400 million, and it has been steadily progressing. Hey, if you are enjoying today's video, head over to Luxury Xplore and subscribe for more contents like this. This would greatly support us. Let's now shift our attention to American football with number 3. The new Tennessee Titans Stadium with a capacity of 60,000. For over 2 decades, the Tennessee Titans have played at Nissan Stadium in Nashville under the open sky. Despite enduring various events, like floods and tornadoes, a recent assessment revealed it would cost nearly $2 billion to maintain it in top condition over the long term. Instead, a proposal for a completely new and modern stadium emerged. This new facility, to be constructed as a dome with a translucent roof, will stand adjacent to Nissan Stadium. The old stadium will be demolished, freeing up valuable riverfront land for the city's future plans. The new stadium's design includes a dome with a translucent roof, 4 tiers of stands, an artificial field, and massive LED screens. Commercial spaces inside will keep the facility bustling on non-match days, generating revenue for maintenance costs. The exterior will feature a modern design with terraces, drawing inspiration from Nashville's unique architecture. Beyond serving as the Titans' new home, the plan aims to attract prestigious events like Super Bowls and WrestleManias. Construction is set to begin next year and finish 3 years later, with an estimated cost of $2.1 billion. The Titans will cover 40% amounting to over $1 billion, with the remaining 60% covered by public funds, marking the largest public subsidy for an NFL stadium construction in history. And number 2 on our list is the new Highmark Stadium with a capacity of 62,000 people. For half a century, the Buffalo Bills football team has been using the Highmark Stadium in Orchard Park, Buffalo. While it's a true home, its capacity has dwindled over the years, and functionality hasn't met standards for a while. Renovations would cost nearly $1 billion, prompting the idea of a new stadium. Discussions with New York State and Erie County ensued for financing the new home. With no progress in 2021, the team's owner threatened relocation. However, after a new governor's election, an agreement was swiftly reached in early 2022. Of the $1.54 billion, the state and county would pay $850 million, and the team covers the rest. The new stadium, with a seating capacity of 62,000, will stand across from the old one. The glass exterior with hose aims to block swirling winds from Lake Erie, and it's an open-air design, a unique choice amid the NFL's trend toward full roofing. This decision not only cuts construction costs, but also aims to attract attention, considering Buffalo's snowy broadcasts. Construction started this year with an estimated cost of $1.5 billion, slated for completion in 2026. And at the top, and by far the largest stadium on our list, the new administrative capital city stadium with a capacity of 93,000 people. Egypt faces a significant overpopulation issue, especially in Cairo. To address this, the government is constructing several new cities across the country for a more even distribution of the population. One of these is the new administrative capital, a new city designed from the ground up to house the national government. Additionally, it will feature a dedicated sports district with various facilities like swimming pools, indoor halls, and athletic tracks. The standout among these facilities is the new football stadium, boasting a capacity of 93,000 people, making it Egypt's largest and Africa's second largest. It comprises 3 oval stands, an athletics track, and a football field. All seats will be covered by translucent membrane roofing supported by giant poles, giving this structure a distinctive design, especially with the multi-shade blue facade. Construction began in 2019 and is nearly complete, along with the rest of the sports area. This new district positions Egypt to bid for the FIFA Cup or the Olympic Games, potentially becoming the first African country to host them. And that ends our list for today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to keep posted for more videos like this. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.